Hey kids! Ever heard of a bird that's basically a walking spot treatment for big animals? Meet the Oxpecker, nature's own cleaning crew. These little birds aren't just being lazy, they're actually having a buffet of bugs. Oxpeckers eat ticks and insects that bother big animals. It's like they're tiny vacuum cleaners with wings. Yum yum! These birds love ticks. They can eat up to 100 ticks in one day. Talk about a super healthy appetite. And the big animals don't mind at all. It's a win-win friendship. Imagine having an itchy back and a friend who can scratch it and eat the bugs bothering you. That's why buffaloes, rhinos, and giraffes love having these feathered friends around. These birds are like tiny superheroes. They even warn their big animal friends when danger is coming by making loud scree sounds. Now that's what I call a true friendship. What do you think about these awesome little birds? Do you know there are other helper birds in nature too? Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite animal friendship.